The famous South Korean car manufacturer Hyundai has confirmed to bring the facelifted versions of their famous sub-4-meter SUV Venue in the Indian market next year. The new facelifted version will come with redesigned front fascia and updated interior. Hyundai has a plan to bring this new facelifted Venue in the Indian market in the middle of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 7.50 to 12.50 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, the SUV will be the rival of Kia Sonet, Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV 300, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza and the Toyota Urban Cruiser. In terms of power, the new Venue facelift is expected to continue the existing engine options. BS6 compliant 1.2-liter petrol engine which can generate 82 bhp of power and 114 Nm of peak torque, and a 1-liter turbo petrol engine which can churn out 118 bhp of power and 172 Nm of peak torque, and a 1.5-liter turbo diesel engine which can be able to produce 99 bhp of power and 240 Nm of peak torque. The SUV can be able to deliver the mileage between 17 to 23 kmpl. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed IMT and 7-speed DCT transmission. Talking about the exterior design, the new Venue will get sportier rug look and receives a number of cosmetic changes. Up front, it will get split LED projector headlights with LED DRLs, more aggressive new silver highlighted parametric front chrome grille with Hyundai badging at the center, sleek black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of chrome inserts. The side profile will get power heated wall beams with integrated turn indicators, chrome accented door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, side body molding, large wheel arcs with black cladding and new set of 17-inch crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will not receive major changes. It is likely to continue LED taillights, Hyundai logo at the center of the boot, chrome Venue badging, rear washer, defogger and rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, bumper mounted rear fog lights and updated rear bumper with black cladding. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster with multi-information display, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth navigation system, smartphone and Blue Link connectivity, USB port, Bose premium sound system with remote trunk opener, front and rear cup holders, dual zone automatic climate control, rear AC vents and USB port, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, remote engine start system, ambient lighting, remote keyless entry, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with adjustable driver seat, rear seats with 60-40 splitting options with armrest and bigger boot space. The SUV is expected to get a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, 6 airbags, high beam assist, blind spot collision warning system with lane changing assist, driver attention warning, rear cross traffic collision warning system, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, speed sensing and impact sensing automatic door lock, vehicle stability control and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.